Alright, good morning guys. We got the trailer out today. This time we're working on replacing a busted trailer hitch with a nice swank electric trailer hitch. Let's get to it. Alright, in the background you can see the rock crawlers. That's what I use on this trailer. So there's a lot of weight on that trailer, and I may have hit that on a curb because I didn't have it up high enough, which is, partially the hitch itself and, the amount of weight on the trailer. So with that being said, this trailer hitch is all busted up. There's not much left good on that. As you can see, it's pretty arched at a pretty aggressive angle. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that one out, and we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this new electric hitch that should make life a lot easier when on the trail and loading up the toys. Two things. Only reason I had to take this out with a grinder is because this is an old logging trailer and it was welded in. Second thing, yes, I do work in my pink Crocs, don't judge me. So we got this out. Let's test fit the new one in, see what kind of reinforcing structure we should add, and keep moving forward. Alright, as you can see, nice little cardboard template. That's what we're going to use as the template. And then if we move over and look at our piece of steel we're going to use for the fish plate, it's a nice thick piece of 1/4 inch steel. I'm going to go ahead and cut that with the angle grinder because I'm too lazy to take it over to the plasma cutter. So let's knock that out, get that welded on, and test fit everything and get to welding the motor on. Let's do it. Okay, let's talk fitment of the fish plate. That's how it looks. It's going to take the place of all the other mangled steel that was bent. I am going to hit it with a hammer, smooth everything down, take all that paint off to get everything nice and prepped, and lay a nice thick 1/4 inch bead with like max penetration settings. Trailers are important because when they tow all your junk around, you really don't want them breaking, or else you'd be in a real bad time. So yeah, we're going to try and keep the hitch as sturdy and strong as possible. With that being said, let's get this all prepped, get ready to weld, and move on to throwing the jack in place. Alright, everything's tacked in place. Let's get a nice full final weld on this, wish for good beads, and catch you guys when it's done. Alright, that's how the welds turned out. Not the prettiest, not the ugliest, but I do think that 1/4 inch fish plate was absolutely necessary to keep the tongue of this trailer super strong, super sturdy. That's how it looks overall. I'm going to go ahead and throw a coat of paint on it, make sure everything is nice and covered, trying to prevent as much rust as possible, and then we're going to call this one done. Alright guys, there's the final product. Nice and welded in, nice and painted so you can't even see the welds, but you guys saw a sneak peek of how those looked. That's how it all turned out. Hopefully that makes my life a lot easier when it comes to, jacking up the trailer with these crawlers. So really excited with that, really excited with how it's coming. With that being said, that's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned for the weekly updates. I'm not entirely sure when this video is going to come out, but in case you haven't seen the interior progress, there's a little sneak peek of the interior. So everything's looking nice and pretty, nice and pretty. I will catch you guys next time.